Hello, geometry students. This is your algebra review for the practice test. First, you are called upon to name the property or definition illustrated by each of the following equations. 3x equals x times 3, so this is an example of the commutative property of multiplication, where you just switch the order of things. You have known for some time that you can multiply 3 times 4 or 4 times 3 and get the same thing. So that's commutative property of multiplication. Commutative, a French word, means to switch. Okay, and how about x plus 0 equals x? That's what we call the additive identity. If you add 0 to any number, its identity does not change. So that's what that is. All right. 15 squared minus 9 squared. Expressing each of these as a single integer. All right, so you know order of operations, the PEMDAS. You know that you have to do the exponents first. 15 squared is 225. 9 squared is 81. So it's 225 minus 81, which is 144. Contrast this with the next one here. 15 minus 9 in parentheses, and that's squared. Okay, so here we have to do the 15 minus 9 first in the parentheses, and that's 6. And then we square that, 36. So watch your order of operations there. All right, then here we have combining like terms. Okay, simplify the following expression: 7x squared minus x squared. 7x cubed minus x cubed. Many times I've had people write down 7 for this, because I think that they're taking x cubed away from the 7x cubed that takes the x cubed away. But you have to remember that there's that invisible 1 in front of here. So you have 7x cubed minus 1x cubed, 6x cubed. All right, finally this one. Here you are subtracting polynomials, and so that involves some distributing of this subtraction through the second parentheses. If you recall from your algebra proficiencies last year, this is the one that always got people. When you have this, it simply turns everything inside the parentheses opposite, because it's as if you're multiplying by -1. So you get that result for the second set of parentheses. And then we have 3x plus 2y. So now it's just a matter of combining your like terms. You have positive 2y right here, minus 2y, so those cancel out. The 2y's zero out, they're opposites. Then you have 3x minus x. Remember that we always do the sign in front of the one we're combining it with. So we have positive 3x, and here we have minus 3x, or minus x here. So if I have 3x and I take away an x, I have 2x left. That is your algebra review. You'll have problems like this on the test. And every chapter test till the end, now we'll start out with algebra review from the previous chapter's algebra review. So this is the stuff that was in algebra review from chapter 1. All right, so it's always on the next chapter test. So the chapter 2 algebra review will be tested on the chapter 3 test, just so you know. All right, that's it for algebra review. See you on the next one.